Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your birthday in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then in the top right corner we tap on the cog icon, and then at the top we find birthday. Here we can just tap on the date and change it to the actual date, like this, and then we can tap on continue. And then our birthday has been changed. Also, we can turn on or turn off the birthday party option here, which will which is like a customization. When we have our birthday, this little cake icon is going to appear next to our name, so our friends will know that it's our birthday. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.